I kind of start with the program at the top left there, and everything starts from that approach of understanding the target of your education. Next one is understanding your audience. So this is really important as well. This is segmenting your audience and looking at personas so that we're not just dumping content out there and hoping that the right people find it, but that we're thinking and targeting that right audience for their behavior change. Fourth one there is delivery. So that's when you start choosing what kind of platform do we deliver this on? What are the methods, modalities that we're using to deliver? So this is a problem that I see some organizations fall into, or I should say a pitfall, is jumping to things like delivery approach or content before identifying the program and the audience, before really understanding what your goal is and what the ultimate purpose of the education is. The delivery should be supporting those things. What I really like to hone in or emphasize with it is that in any business program that's not for sale, this is the same, where it's not going to be a one-to-one direct connection to revenues. But if it is targeting, for example, an onboarding, I know I use that one a lot, but that's a clear one where it's like you could potentially see an opportunity, we'll call it that, of increasing the number of people that convert after a trial period, for example. Maybe if you target an educational program to those product users, then you'll see a higher conversion rate. So now we have clarity on the problem we're targeting. And when we hone in on that audience and we develop the right content for that, our measurement should be, again, the engagement metric, but also we're looking at an efficacy metric. An efficacy metric on content is just, did they learn what we expected them to learn? Then you connect that to your business metric. Okay, so we taught them something, they learned the thing. Did that learning of the thing change their behavior, and did we see the result? And I am using tools, it's like the mapping tools and measurement tools that are really like on that end of things. And with the delivery aspect of which platform to use, like LMS, LXP, and which authoring tools, I'm pretty agnostic because I do feel like the flexibility of using the right tool to achieve your goals is really important. So
I love the technology side also. So it's the tool side. So I know that also as cloud chair, we like to talk about our the hands-on approach, and having a virtual IT lab is obviously something that we recommend to anybody that needs one. But I think one of the biggest things that I've noticed in terms of this technology, whatever tools that you're using, should have 2 points. One is an analytics part aspect to it, to make sure that talk about the measurement, having any analytics to be able to measure the success of that tool.